like the bonds and things like that, nobody came back to me. Like, it's not even on my credit report, nothing. Like, if you want, I could actually show y'all my green cards that I sent off. So you know I'm not BSing. I took his master validation debt class. Nothing came back to me. Nothing on my credit report. And I have my credit report that I downloaded. So if y'all want me to show it to you guys, I can show it to you. Just me taking his class and studying.
I got the mega bundle packs. I've been with Durain for a while.
You've been with me for a minute.
Yeah, bro. I've been with you for a minute. So I've scaled my business. I got a couple businesses. One I need to clean some business credit up on. Another one I have another business that I got like 80 done on it, 89 Equifax. So and then I got a shelf corp I'm about to build out. So I'm trying to stack and build.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Amazing.